Hello guys, I am Mr. Jahan. Welcome to my another video. Today I will show you how to make a mat for your table. So let's get started with this color paper. You need 3 color papers for this mat. After cutting all these papers, you need to collect them and decorate them like that one. Now one by one you need to do like that. What am I doing? Now repeat this same thing again. Now prepare this very carefully, because if you did any wrong thing, the papers will not set up correctly. Now when it's done, you need to attach them with this glue. Attach all of this side with this glue very carefully. Now it's time for the other side. Repeat the same thing. After attaching this glue very carefully, you need to cut it up of this side with this glue very carefully. Now this is the mat. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and press this bell icon. I hope you all will love it. Now it's time for the other side. Repeat the same.